Hi friends and Potterheads, we are in the Deathly Hallows, chapter 26, Gringotts, and I'm going to talk about plants because the trio have made some plans for how they're going to get into Gringotts, how they're going to get the things that they need, and to get out. However, all that changes. So no matter how much planning they did, no matter how many backup plans they may have had, the situation and the environment changed on them. And if they'd stuck to their plans, they would have put themselves in more jeopardy. Instead, they took in the environment. They looked around. They looked for resources, other opportunities, adjusted their plan, adjusted their end goal, and were able to escape from Gringotts. Now, how does this play out in your own life? Well, there's lots of times we have a plan in mind. We're trying to achieve a goal, and there's information and knowledge that we don't know about until we're in the situation. And in the situation, we need to learn to adapt and change. This actually happened to me last summer. I was in Italy. We were traveling by train, and the day that we were to travel by train to another city, there was a train strike. So we had to learn to adapt. We had to look at what are the schedules? What are the other ways that we can get to our destination? Do we have to change it up? And even once we changed it up and we got a new train and we got new tickets, we still had a problem halfway point where we had to switch trains, and then our train was delayed, and then there was a situation where, are we on the right train? Are we going to get to our destination? But we constantly had to seek out new information that we were unaware of, things that we were not prepared for, and we adjusted our end goal. Our end goal no longer was to get to our destination by a certain time. Our end goal is just to get to the destination and to make sure that we all had an incredible experience along the way. And it was a learning experience. It was a learning experience for me, but it was also a learning experience for the youth that I was taking, because they got to see in action how we can adapt to our environment, not get upset, not get caught up in this is, the end of our trip. This is a horrible thing that happened. We just learn to adapt and look at the new information, change, and move forward. So I'm going to challenge you. Look at your environment. How can you adapt and change your plans to still achieve an end goal that is acceptable? Now, these can be challenging, but I'm going to put that into your space and see how you do. Please let me know if you are running into problems, if you need support with this sort of thing, or tell me your success, how you adapted to a new environment, created a new end goal, and achieved your goal. I wish you all the best. Have a great week. Take care.